Adom TV so afi nsem do metwa so amawo na yakwa NPP amanyoko no akachi ye wo asikuma Premtobre Kasee delegated wo mo a to apeye wo hodo mo no echi mo a wodi wo muduro nyina no ta Dr. Michael Kyeremanteng echi opanyini odo no yetitina ni massive C group of companies which mo a said opanyini wani so ade hunu no so yini so nkogina mbrahye bedwam afimpino ni aduonu na abato no wakira obeboa pa mampuntu esefata do wonsaka
Dr. Nipenyini a oda sifosi homeopathic hospital ano Dr. Michael Kyeremanteng abeshia NPP etu ahene ni esi ahene for mechire polling station executives and afi coordinators a ewo esmo do bembra kwa beto mpesua no so a wada ne tiri mpodi a kire wo mu sesa party ni bi kwan se woni e wo pepa so ogina party ni dinim ekopre shi bedwatumi no emfe wodi aye krado nti duru ho a etu ahene ni esi ahene for wo party mu a ono okase nei
After 25 years, when I came back, I've seen that most of the things that I saw when I was living is still existing. There's nothing new. I don't see a lot of changes. I've seen people suffering. For the past 2 years, I've lived in the district from 2020 till now. I've gone to villages. I've seen a lot of, like a lot of people really suffering. And that is my passion. That is my motivation. I don't want to see people suffer because I knew how I suffered growing up. I knew how I struggled growing up, and I knew how even where I am, I'm still in a way still struggling. And I'm just an ordinary member here and all that. So I realized that no, there are errors, there are things to address. So if that is the case, I believe that I'll have to put myself in the mantle, listen to the cry of the delegates and the entire community, and put myself to the service. So that is why I see it as compelling enough to also pick up the nomination when it opens and contest, so that I'll be able to serve them and serve them well, and especially in their interest.
Polling station executives ne coordinators are na wujumede na seni bi nso so ene nsentwe for Kasee.
Osate so ya doye so utwitwa akwan na de no. Manager man obesi me so. Ema mene assembly man yedi hu nkuta hu. Kyeremanteng wendi abro.
Dr. Kyeremanteng Nabon home wedding bebre wo esukuma be blakwa. Em say wo hwe de ekoso wa he a ni obi na be ka cho say papa no obon home wedding.
Support no de be ma no. E say oma impono ne oye kra no. Eye.
Afreda mo de amane boyi ifra Adom ben ene Adom Kasee.